car meet.
Yo, I love
We
it.
just got here. This shit looking lit. Bit nasty. Oh, I love these shits right here. 240s. Fuck. Love these shits, bro. Fire. Damn, I like this shit. Look, that's like G shit. Damn, that bitch clean. Damn. Nasty. Sheesh, shit fire. Yeah. G35. Shit sick. Man.
Like a cell? The phone number. I gotta say my name.
What do you think about them lights right there?
Yeah.
Sleepy.
Sneaky.
Sleepy.
Like you. Oh,
Them bitches fire. This one. Super fire. Fuck. Nice, bro. Hell yeah. That shit nice, bro. Hell yeah. I swear to God. I swear. They're clean. Let's go this way, left. I be seeing this car all the time. This shit still recording?
yeah, it's fine.
We out of here, man. Hopefully there's nobody over here, because sometimes Troll be pulling up over here. Losing my L's.
Your license?
Yeah. Record on your phone real quick.
Yeah, that shit's slimy. You want me to get out the car?
No, you stay here. Oh shit. What the fuck is that?
What?
There's somebody over there? Yeah, that's like security over there. I'll have to clear it right quick. Record. Out of here. I think that was somebody over there.
So bad, bro.
Oh shit. Fucking pedal came off. Yo, look at this shit. I was like, yo, what the fuck is that? Yo, what the fuck? Yo, I'm figuring, yo, that shit blocked me from fucking driving the shit. Oh my god. Yo, that's classic right there, yo. The fucking, yo, this ain't even the pedal though. This is where you rest your foot.
Yeah.
I'm like, bro, did my fucking pedal just fall off?
Oh my god.
Yo, that's hilarious. That shit funny as
Wait,
fuck.
it was somebody over there?
Yeah, there was a lady over there. You didn't see her?
No.
It was like a security guard.
See, 'cause the fucking window.
That was a good little slide though, the first one.
Oh yeah.
The first one was a good one.
Where I got scared the second round. I was like, wait, like no, like you. The first time you did one. We got it because we're like right next to the fucking tree, bro. I was like, let's fall out this car.
I mean, worst case scenario, we crashed the car, but that ain't shit.
Yeah.
Have to fix this shit.
Bro, Pollo's still open.
Damn, what the fuck? That shit is still open?
Maybe it's time for you to on.
No way, you about to get that Cuban.
Oh, is it good?
Cuban sandwich.
Stop.
Might as well try that shit.
I'm scared.
Never know till you try, dude. These motherfuckers ain't playing.
How much is it? Is it expensive?
It's like $10. That's the end of the vlog. We ended up at Pollo.